In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit quote template in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your quote template, how to tailor its layout to your brand, and how to preview and save those changes confidently. First, open Zoho Books and head to your dashboard. In the top right corner, click on Settings. Inside Settings, look for PDF Templates and open it. This is where all your document layouts live, and any changes you make here will control how your quotes look when you send or download them. On the left side, you'll see different modules. Click the Quotes tab to focus specifically on quote templates. You'll see a list of available designs. Hover over the template you want to change. Standard is a common starting point and click Edit. That takes you into the template editor where you can adjust the pieces that matter most. Let's begin with the header and logo. Update your organization address so it's current and complete. Accurate contact details help clients reach you without confusion. Next, upload your company logo. Choose a clean, high-resolution image, ideally a PNG, so it looks crisp on both screen and print. Make sure the colors and sizing match your brand and keep enough margin so the logo doesn't crowd other information. Move to the banner area. Here you can edit the title, choose the layout, and set the paper size. Naming the document clearly like quote makes it instantly recognizable to your clients. Select a layout that balances readability and style, and pick a paper size that fits your region and printing needs, such as letter or A4. If you use background colors or accents, keep contrast high for legibility. Next is the item table, the heart of your quote. Add or remove fields to match the details you share with customers. Common columns include description, quantity, and rate. Keep only what's essential so the table stays clean and easy to scan. Clear descriptions reduce back and forth, and aligning numbers helps clients understand totals at a glance. Scroll to Terms and Conditions. Add any custom notes and clauses that set expectations, such as timelines, inclusions, or exclusions, and how long the quote is valid. Keep the language straightforward and consistent with your policies. When your edits are in place, click Preview. Take a moment to check spacing, fonts, alignment, and page breaks. If something looks off, return to the editor to refine it. When you are satisfied, click Save to finalize the template. That's it. Thanks for watching.